بص البطة شايف؟ عايز تاكل بط؟ ducks.
Com certeza, um patinho assado, ó. Delícia. É o quê? Luz e baby.
Bus GTA. Não, 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 não GTA.
Brasil. Ela me oferecendo umas bolsas de luxo dela.
Taco Chinese pizza? Doesn't make sense.
Smells what?
Three for 15. All the names with New York plates. Look, ducks. Do you want to eat ducks? What's? Oh man, the smell. This is a fish store. Look, crabs.
Dos crabs aí dentro da Vespa. A cara dele é melhor que estranho, velho.
Even more is coming. Yeah, it's a little bit frozen.
É gostoso o crab, você não gosta não?
Yeah,
I learned
it's
from the crab farm.
Thank you.
Café que é mote, eu assim, ó. Olha, tem umas frutas.
Oh, this is the real, yeah. Dragon fruit. Right there is where we're gonna go. Should we cross? Yeah. Did you remember Flushing?
This side?
Yeah, let's go. Look at this plant. Yeah. It's so big, the fruit.
Olha as frutas aí.
Look this dragon fruit. It's from the Middle Ages. You know, they tell you everything here is real, but it's all fake. Any perfume, anything, any watches, everything is fake.
Even the mints. All mints.
Even this, even the fruit is fake.
Even stuff that are not made in China.
Yeah.
Why do you say that China makes stuff cheaper?
Too many reasons.
Olha aquela estátua dos soldiers, será que...
What?
You know the place where they found many statues of the soldiers, like this one?
Yeah.
It was the what was it?
This is Indonesia.
Yeah.
This is... بص حاجات بعمل. Look at the street.
Baba, look at this. Is this real? This is.
What?
Can you see this?
Metro cars?
Hey.
Yeah, these are stickers. Look at these
No.
decorations. What's on top?
Yeah, no, but were these metro cars real for like
Watch
a
out.
long, like for a long trip for a skateboard?
No,
Let's turn
no,
here. Tem parque ali, mas eu não tô interessada em parque aqui ainda.
no, not really. They just keep going this way.
Go from the other side.
Look at the street decoration. So cool.
Here is L'Oreal. Vai dar rolezinho. Ai, meu Deus.
Don't step there. Chinese plants. Actually, yeah, that bamboo.
They even do that.
Nice.
No, they want me to like food.
Chinese sushi.
What is tree?
3-dimensional.
Look at the store. How old?
Tree? Like how do they make
I
it
feel
like
like
a
the
tree?
window was never wiped.
No, the save and wiping.
Olha, tem umas coisas meio exóticas aqui. Oh, olha, they have the eggplant like the one you have.
Yeah, massage. It's not only for foot, I guess.
O cabelinho dele, a mulher vai te oferecer as coisas aí, ó. Bolsinha também.
Thank you. 12 years.
Por que eles têm gato? Por que tem
Eles, muitas culturas gostam de gato. O Egito gosta de gato, Chinese, Japanese gostam de gato.
É que é uma sock?
Não. Eu não sei, talvez eu possa. Eu não sei não, indiano gosta de gato?
No, they eat it.
What?
Indiano?
I know, I'm just saying.
Ah, não pode.
Wait, what? The Baba said the Indian ate
Sim. Olha a fresca de Chinese, que bonito. E olha o dragão lá em cima.
Ah,
Aquele dragão lá em cima. Aquele lá em cima lá.
às vezes ele gosta de comer gato.
Chucky.
Chucky.
Indian gosta.
Não, pode ficar também. Você pode ouvir eles falando. Ah, eu acho que seria muito interessante se você tiver. Ah, não.
What's that?
It's, I mean, it's a huge community. You even feel like it's their place.
Feel like what?
It's your own place. Like everybody speaks your language.
Of course.
Like this. See?
You want one of these? Is this a church or a Chinese temple? It's a church.
Right, that's
Wow.
Oh, look at this church.
Primeiro.
Isn't this actually que você quer de memória? Chapéu?
What?
He said, give me something that it's gonna be a memory.
Não.
I give you a duck. Look, it's a duck house.
Duck, it does even stay for long. It
No,
gets
you can
moldy.
eat it really quick.
At least I can keep my bones for memory to spank you for
Duck bones. That's not so cool.
Look. ¿Qué? Wait, does that say 20 cents? 20.
بس غضبان جدا.
Not the best.
Oh, this is a mall, Wing Hing Center. You should take Brown to these Chinese malls. A seafood restaurant. Look at this fish behind you. It's blue crab. Oh yeah, tiny ones. Remember the Chinese supermarkets we used to get inside? It was so cool in Queens. In Queens, yeah, in Flushing. Chestnut. It's the Koza. Ah, look, sugar cane. Red sugar cane. What? It's too much for the camera to capture. That's a meat market. Whatever type of meat it is. Wow, look, this is all dried fish. What's this one? That's dried. Mushroom? Looks like mushroom. See, you make a good use of the basement. There's always something down there, like a store or something. Yes.
When you just stare at it, look, it just looks like it's going up. When you stare at it,
Oh, that's a jewelry store. Just the beginning, and then something else. A lot of massages going on.
I think confuses people. I walked up to buy a sushi. Then I couldn't.
Then you stink.
Sushi. Coco.
Eso es aquele lá normal, ó. Eu quero ver.
Não põe a mão nessas coisas.
Esse é bobo, bota, né? Mas por que tá?
Watch out, don't fall down. Yes. The bed.
No, wait.
Diabetes.
I think you should wear this because it says.
Cool.
No, real actually says diabetes.